I'm Vivek Nanivadekar, your partner on the growth path. Welcome to Marhaba Gulf. I came to UAE 25 years back and I have been witnessing the growth this market has taken place. We were the first entrant and we have sold few machines. Now industry is growing and a lot of Indians and other country, they are investing here for manufacturing. It is quite nostalgic for me to be here in the SteelFab Exhibition being held in Sharjah. I the first one to introduce Electronica machines in UAE market 25 years back. Now, again, I am back to introduce Electronica machines in UAE, where we have more than 60 machines working in UAE. So this is the new product, JobMaster CNC wire cut EDM. This is very popular in this market and being sold. Industries, they love this model. Just have a look at the jobs which are being made on this machine. This is high precision jobs cut on this wire cut EDM.